Hello, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are continuing with the questions on 2023 NECO Mathematics Paper. That's the General Mathematics 3 question paper. So a boy walks 88 paces in a minute. If his average pace length, the pace length is taken as 0.55 meters, what fraction of an hour will it take him to walk 1,936 meters? So we are trying to find out the fraction of hours. Now, looking at the question, if we just say this is the journey is moving. So let's say he walked 88 paces. It means he started from here, 0, and the paces he did was what? 88. Okay, we know a pace is just one instant of a leg, another instant as you are walking in that pace. Now, and we are saying that the average, so the whole of this is done in a minute, and I say the average pace, meaning 1, let's just say here, all this division is what? 88. So there are 88 divisions on this line. Now his average length of a pace is what? 0.55, meaning this very first pace he make will be 0.55 what? Meters. So that is the first pace is a meter, but the paces is a number. That is a one instance of walking. If you move one leg, he is moving 0.55. 0.55. So in all, what is the total length of the pace in 88? So we are going to find total length of 88 pace. So we can have total length is going to be, if one is 0.55 and there are 88 of them, then it means 88 times what? 0.55. I believe you get the concept. One instant 0.55, another instant 0.55 in that group. So it is 0.55 groups of 88, and that is the multiplication. This is more or less like 55 over 100. Then 11, 5 will go there 11, go here 20, 22, 5. If we divide, you get 48.4 meters, meaning the length of the meters is going to be 48. And this is happening in how many minutes? In just a minute. In 1 minute, is making this length of measurement. Good. Now we want to know how many minutes will it take him to go for 1,936. So if one, let me write it here. So if 1 minute, or let me just begin with this. If in 1 minute, 48.4 is in just 1 minute, then if we are increasing the length of walking to 1,936, you know, in just this we are having 1. It means if we are increasing this to 1,936, the number of minutes will also increase, because this is going to be, let's say after this we have another double, which means it will be in 2 minutes in that order. So what do? We are going to say if more or less divide. We know we can do proportion, but we are going to have this dividing. So 1,936 divided by 48.4, then multiply by what? 1 minute. And if we do our cancellation, that will give us 40. We have 40 minutes, which means in this length of measurement is using 40 minutes to complete that pace. That we are only concentrated in what fraction of an hour will take him. This is what is taking him in minutes. How will you convert this in an hour? You know there are 60 minutes in an hour. So it's going to mean that 40 minutes into 60 minutes, which is just an hour. It's an hour, meaning 1. That is going to be 4 out of 6, which is 2 out of what? 3. So this is the fraction of what? hour that it will take him to work 1,936. That will be the option D on the question paper. Good. For number 6, this is under modulo. So we are saying 3 times 8 is equivalent to x mod 9. Then 3 times 8 we know will be 24. So 24 is equivalent to x mod 9. Under modulo, what do we know? We know that if I divide 24 by 9, the remainder will be x. Simply put, if I have 24 divided by 9, which I know I'll have 2 remainder what? 6. The remainder is what I am interested in. And that remainder is going to be what? 6. It means this is going to be 6 mod 9 if I'm going to have 24. So that answer we're looking for, or the value of x, is just what? 6. And on the possible answer, that will be C. Alright, so let's see question number 7. Log 3 base 10 is given as 0.4771. We are to evaluate log 8.1 base 10. So it means all what we are going to do, we have to make sure we express this in terms of log 3. Alright, and how do we do that? We can rewrite this as log 81 over 10 base 10. We know 81 over 10 will give us what? 8.1. So in that case, we can employ the division law, which says that if I'm dividing a logarithm, we can subtract them. So this becomes log 81 base 10 minus log 10 base 10. And you are going to know that log 10 base 10 is one property that will give us 1. And 81 is a product of 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times. So this will now be the log of 3 exponent 4 base 10 minus log 10 base 10. We know that under powers of logarithm, this is going to multiply the log to give us 4 log 3 base 10 minus log 10 base 10. You can change this right from the go to 1, but I just want to maintain it. So here, I can see the whole of this is what I have been given in the question. So what do? I'm going to multiply 4 by 0.4771 minus the log 10 base 10 is just what? 1. Then what will I get if I do this multiplication? I'll be having 1.9084 minus 1. You know, this is the whole number. If you subtract, you will left with 0.9084 as the value of what? Log 8.1 base what? 10. And on the possible answers, we are going to have that to be D. That will be D as question number 7. Alright, thank you for watching. We will take question number 8 upward in the next episode. Share this video with your colleagues, anybody who may need this. Like and comment. Bye-bye.